Welcome back to Revit Structures, your number one stop to learning civil engineering design softwares like Prota Structure, Ryan, Teclatet. On today's tutorial video, I'll be teaching you how we can take this model from Prota Structure to Revit. You know that might sound very new, but that's what I'll be teaching you in this video. Taking this model and opening this model in Revit, right? So let's get right into doing that. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not also forget to like this video and also drop your comment. You can share it to your friends if you learn something new. All right, so let's get right into it. So what we'll be doing first is we have a model, right? So you can probably just save this however you want to. So I'll save it. Okay, Control S. I saved it as YouTube. That's the name I have here. All right, so want to save this drawing, you must make sure your model is correct, right? So you can check that by coming to your analysis, your review, coming to building analysis, and you start that. Okay, make sure that your building model is correct without errors, so you don't end up moving something that has error, right? So we have 0 error, so building model complete, check, number of errors 0, right? So I can close that. Once I can close that, what I can do now, I go to BIM, right? So I'm going to be exporting this Prota Structure file as an IFC file, all right, as an IFC file. So I click on export IFC file. Okay, so it's going to give me an export location, but I can pick where I want to put this, so I can just browse that. Okay, I want to place this on my desktop. I want to place the IFC file on my desktop. Okay, I want to place it on my desktop, so I can just type whatever name I want to type. I want to use YouTube as the name. Okay, so I can just save that as an IFC file there. Okay, so you can just click on export IFC and give it time while it saves your model as an IFC file. Right, once it's done saving as an IFC file, it's going to open the location where that IFC file can be found, right? Your file manager will be automatically opened, right? So I don't want to see that. I can just minimize that for now. So after that, I can minimize and open my Revit software. Give that a bit of time while it loads. So I think this is done. So depending on your model, depending on how heavy your model is, it takes time to load, and depending on your processor speed. Okay, so this is mine. This is my plan view. So to see what it has generated in, we just come to view. Once I click on view, I can just click on 3D view. Right, so you can zoom into that and see. Right, so this is what we have. You noticed that's imported the same thing we have on our, okay, so you can rotate this by holding your shift key and turning this. So this is a ramp. Okay, I know you, this is the area you can remember properly. So well done. You've been able to import models from Prota Structures to Revit. Hope you learned a lot from this video. Please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel, like the video, and also drop comments. Thank you.